this way. Now you go that way, and I'll go this way. Okay? No, wait. What nonsense? Are you scared? Now listen. What? Are you scared? I'm not scared. Guys, it's not a time for fighting. I take this way, you go this way. Simple, that's what I'm saying. Let's go. Okay, let's go.
As I was saying earlier on, I thought it wise to come and see you than always seeing your daughter outside. That is why my friend here, Uzu, and I have come to see you and ask for your daughter's hand in marriage.
Did I hear you right?
Yes.
My daughter's hand in marriage. Okay. I've realized that you've been persistent for some time now, looking at what happened, what I did to you and all that. So I don't have problem with you now, but once you can fulfill my demands, I'm ready to give a hand to you in marriage, because as you know, I've taken good care of her. Since her mother passed away, I've been there for her. So once you can meet the demands, why not?
So, Openyi Odunja, if we may ask, what are your demands?
My demands are very simple. Very simple. I need a crocodile liver. And the liver must be fresh. I will use it for certain things first. Secondly, I will need about half a bottle of cobra's poison. Then 6 cows and just 2 camels. The camels I'll be using it for carrying my goods and other things. Those are just useful.
Elder Dunga, I'm sorry to ask this. I'm sorry to say this. I mean, crocodiles, fresh liver and venom of a cobra. I mean, Elder Dunga, how do you expect us to get it? How?
Hey, don't you have elders in your house? You came with this small boy to seek Odumja to Tujegu's daughter's hand in marriage. And I've given you just, these are the simple demands. So if you should come with an elder, then I'll add the rest. These are the basics. I'm giving you the basics.
Openyi Odunja.
Hey, listen, keep quiet. Have a bottle of cobra's venom, fresh liver of crocodile, 6 cows, and just 2 camels. 2, not even 5, 2.
Openyi Odunja. So, if I may ask, when you were going to marry...
Hey, hold it there. Am I coming to marry somebody in your house? Hey, the 2 of you should go and prepare.
I think you want to marry your daughter.
Ah.
But asking this thing, who can afford this? Even the king of this village can't afford that.
Then you don't want her.
Then you want to marry your daughter.
That's your problem.
Opening bonnet.
Hey! I told you. You can run, but you can never hide. Great gods of our father's land, I worship you. Perfect. Great gods of our land, I worship you. A patient dog eats the fattest bones. You came to our land to destroy us. Wait a moment. I'm coming to finish you all.
Yayin, why?
So now, the goat is your pet.
You know, every morning I have to take care of my goats.
Now you are trying, you are helping your mother, which is very good.
Meaning?
Look, let me tell you. See, sometimes how you talk to your mother, it's not fine. You have to show your mother some respect. She's your mother, and you have to obey her. But sometimes how you do talk to her, Akrika, in fact, it doesn't show any respect.
Now has my mother hired you as her spokesperson or what?
I'm just telling you the truth.
Telling me what truth? Why, have I told you I don't respect my mother? You when I came to your house the last time, did you sweep?
I was about to sweep before you came.
About to sweep what? See, let me tell you. If you know this is the main reason why you wake up this morning, you left your house and then came to this place, please leave.
Akrika, you are asking me to leave.
No, I'm not asking you to leave. I'm telling you to leave. Leave before I do something bad, oh.
Okay, me, I'll leave. But what I'm telling you is to respect your mother. She brought you into this world, so you have to respect her. Otherwise,
please leave.
I'm
Leave before
leaving.
I'll do something bad, oh.
But respect your mother.
Leave before I'll sweep on you, oh. Nonsense. You came to advise me. You don't you do bad things. What is between my mother? Is that one does it concern you? Am I bad? Am I bad? Do I do bad things?
Yes. Great ancestors, I thank you. I have finally found you. You strangers who have come to destroy my community. And I said, you strangers of our land have come to destroy my land. I will continue dealing with you people.
Look at him.
Deal with you people.
Ozu, come. You know, where are you heading to?
I'm going to the farm.
Really? You know what? My daughter is going to the market. I want you, okay, to get me grass cutter, because my daughter is going to the market, and I want her to prepare hot pepper soup for me with a grass cutter. Is it possible to get me one tonight?
Odumja, it's very possible. As I told you, I'm going to the farm. I've set 2 traps, and I know by sure it will get something.
Good. That's what I want to hear.
Even if it's lion you want, I can hunt it for you. Just count on me. I, Ozu, will hunt it for you.
Good. Good.
But please, remember, my grass cutter is very expensive.
Oh, don't worry about money. I am Odomja Tutujegu. Money is not my problem.
Hunters of the land. Greetings.
Awolo,
Odunja.
how are you?
The gods of the land in charge.
Good. You are here to see me.
Oh, many things happening.
Good. Hold on. And you know what? Go and work on it.
But I need it this evening.
I'll bring it this evening.
Good. You may
But
go.
please remember, it's very expensive. Oh. I don't want to come and you'll be giving me problems.
Forget about money.
Odunja,
Yes, what brings you?
I came to see you.
Good.
Strange people in our land.
Strangers here?
They don't appear in our kind of garments and appearance. They dressed differently. And to our safetyness, the gods of the land caged them.
You mean they are arrested?
Strangers! Oh, the gods of the land did it. So I said the first person I must tell whatsoever I've seen is you. What are we to do? But if you don't have chance, I will go and deal with them. I just came to tell you there are strangers in our land.
Good.
What do we need to do?
I am very glad you've informed me.
All right.
But for now, I can't take any decision. Go and do what you have to do. I know what to do too. Okay?
My appreciation is I needed to tell you before I take
Don't worry.
any other steps.
Don't worry.
Odunja, the great hunter.
Hey!
Mama, good morning. Mama. Mama, good morning. Mama.
Oh.
Mama, wasn't you the one I was greeting?
So you, when are you going to marry?
Mama, see, don't bring this thing again, no. Me, I've told you long time I want to marry Bisa. You don't want to support me.
Not that I don't like Bissell, because of her father.
Mama, you when you wanted to marry my father, did
Hey, shut up, don't go there. Fin, I'm talking to you. I said, when are you going to marry? Tell me. and choose another person.
Mama, see me. If I will not marry Bisa, then me I will not marry again. No, I will not marry. Why?
Look at him. Look at him.
You. When my father came to marry you, someone
I said, shut up! I don't want to hear that word again. I'm talking to you, then you are talking when my father. No. Phew.
If I will not marry Bisa, me I will not marry you.
Hey, where are you going? Come back! Where are you going? Come back here. Hey, look at him. Eh? Like I want my grandchildren, eh? This boy, what is wrong with him? Oh, I don't know what to do again, eh?
Someone,
Yeah, Abolo.
good hunter. Every time you go to the bush, you come home with brilliance.
Thank you.
When it comes to farming, versatile. And the other one is you brought one of us that was tied in the bush alive. Edu!
Just go straight to the point.
Edu, I want you to be feeding me.
Aboro.
Is it funny?
You always think you are smart. You see, I was patient with you because I know where you were getting to. I, Edu, should feed you. Aboro.
Don't you want to be rich? Is it calamity you want? I say you have to go to the bush, get me food, feed me, and see how you will be blessed.
Because you are.
Abolo. Unstoppable, untouchable.
So it's by force that I have to feed you.
Edu, or what do you call yourself? Do you want to be successful in life?
I am already successful.
Why can't you try what I've told you? As he call a spade, hit the nail on the head. Feed me and see how transformed you become.
Why this calamity? I trusted you. Speak to me.
You are here already. How are you?
Oh, Etta, I'm not feeling fine at all. Hi, Etta, I'm suffering. Every part of my body, my stomach. Hi, Etta.
Anyway, don't worry. When your sister came in this morning and she told me about your problems, I told her that for the love that I have for the family, I will quickly run to the bush and gather some herbs for you. But you know, unfortunately for us, when I went out there,
did you see snake?
they have weed all the place.
Hmm?
So I tried much harder, but I was able to find these herbs. You know, my grandfather.
Am I going to kill this?
No. Before using this, you wash it with clean water, and then you put them in a pot. Then you put it on the fire. Yeah? When you boil it up to some time, what you have to do is that you put a little bit of salt and a bit of lemon. You squeeze them, put them in it, and then let it boil over 2 to 3 hours.
Hey, Edda! No!
Oh, no, wait. When you sip it, when it simmers and you drink them, oh, within a day or within some few hours, you'll feel good. But you know, I'll have to teach you the name. This is called Gaddafi. Oh.
Oh.
No. It's not Gaddafi. It is Galandafi. So you can have it. It is not Gaddafi. It is Galandafi. Galandafi.
That is the name.
That is the name.
You don't know anything. Sorry, Edda.
You can leave. But remember to put it in a pot. Not any other cooking utensils. Put it in a pot or a calabash.
A calabash.
Yes, that is the tradition. We have to follow the tradition. When you put it in any other pot and you cook it, it will not work.
Hey, let's go to your house so that you give me your pot.
Then you go and send it. Your sister is there. They can give it.
Don't worry, I have a pot. I have a pot.